So guys, come with me on this little journey to the Bahamas. This is some video of like the airport. Now we're on our way to the hotel. Me talking about us finally arriving. I look crazy, but I didn't care. So this is us literally still on our way. So actually I did not get much footage of myself this trip. Typically I do always record myself, but this trip I was intoxicated. The liquor had me throwing up. It was a lot, and I think it was like as I said, a 2-day or 3-day vacation. We literally just was a spur of the moment. This is just footage of how beautiful the place was. Like, Bahamas is, I love nature, and anything green catches my eye. So I was recording this the entire time. The lovely buildings, the landscape. To me it was just, you know, calming. I'm from the Caribbean, so anytime I go to the Caribbean, it's like home, and I feel at peace, if I do say so myself. This is our hotel, RIU we stayed at. The grounds was nice. We're used to very large RIUs, so this one was meh compared to what we're used to. The nighttime view was beautiful, the beach and the pools. We was about to head to the little party downstairs. This was my proud moment in Bahamas when my song for my country was playing, and I just love that. I go to every country and hear it. Okay guys, so today we are doing a photo shoot for my friend's brand, Ottawa. And this is the fit, this is the logo right here. So we are headed maybe to the beach to get some footage. I'm not sure, but we're gonna see the finished product soon. This is the finished product. This was shot on an iPhone, and I just edited the photos. But yeah, it's not professional pictures, so but it was good. Guys, so we are finally on the beach, El Bicho. So we're going in the water, hopefully, at some point. So this is me thinking about the hotel. In regards to the food, it's meh. The drinks was good because I got like super wasted, but like this RIU definitely needs some upgrading. There's no water sports, and what RIU has no water sports? Like, I guess some, but yeah. So this was on our tour around the city of Bahamas, Paradise Island, Nassau, Bahamas, and it was beautiful. I love the array of colors that we saw, the nature, the buildings, the parliament buildings. We were informed about a lot of things, and I'm gonna let you guys hear, so I'm gonna stop blabbering.
700 islands in the Bahamas. All of them are not inhabited. Only 32 of them are inhabited. We got our independence July 10th, 1973 from Great Britain. So every 10th of July, the explosions here.
As an explosions, he was referring to fireworks. So this is like where the chocolate factory is. Such beautiful umbrellas. I thought this was so cute. I had to record everything. So we also had a tour of the chocolate factory, the wine factory. They ship it international. Okay, so this is the wine, Bahamas wine. And we're in the actual winery, not distillery. So these are the churros or whatever it's called that they're made in. And you said that this was a church, right?
It used to be a church, yeah.
And turned into a wine.
Turned it into a winery. Over the tree branches near grave sites.
Yes.
Hoping that the evil spirits would go up into the bottle until in the morning, until the sun comes out, and the sun would burn the evil spirits in the bottle. So this is an old African tradition.
Wow. This is so cool. Find out something new today.
Yeah.
Learn something. Alright guys, so we are in, this is so beautiful, in the chocolate factory. So after this, we went to the cigar factory, which was like really, like everything was right there. I was talking about sapatilla, which I really love so much.
Me too.
And the little seeds inside.
Black seed.
Yes. This part was really interesting, seeing like a lady and all the other people making the cigars. I've always seen it being made like on TV and like people visiting countries on the Travel Channel, or even just watching other vlogs and stuff. But it was really cool experience.
The sign right there, you can take a picture of. Don't worry for him, he'll be alright.
Right, I got it. So we were on our way back to the hotel, and he said that he would take us through the ghetto, which I think he meant parts that are not glamorized, or you know, like people just live there. So it was good to see, like I like going to other people's countries and being able to explore, like not just the tourist areas, but seeing the real hardcore nitty-gritty of how they live. And I also love to see school kids in their clothing, because it reminds me of when I was younger, and I loved going to school in the Caribbean when I was younger. Fish fry. So they serve all kind of fish, lobster, conch.
All seafoods. Pork chops, steaks, chicken, burgers, sandwiches. Everything is served right here, but all the food itself is cooked with the Bahamian spices.
Right.
Hey.
Fish fry. Thank you. If you're still watching this, I want to thank you for watching this miniature vlog. I did not shoot a lot of footage, as I said. It was mostly just the excursion that we did, and you know, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So guys, we're headed home right now. I'm just looking at the little souvenirs. I got some stuff for the refrigerator and some keychains. The little toes, cute little monkeys. Thank you for watching. If you're still watching, hope you enjoy. Deuces.